What's up, guys? What is up? Please let me know if the audio works. It should be working. I'm still fairly new to OBS. I'm still learning to use it. So, I just want to be sure that everything is correct, especially the audio, because the audio, my audio setup is a mess. And, you know, I want to be sure to give you guys a good show. So, yeah, if the music in the background, if you hear it, or if you don't hear much about the music in the background while I speak, please let me know. We're gonna fix this out together as a group, as the best group, community, agglomeration of people ever. Alright, so let's proceed with the intro and see if everything works. Yeah! Welcome to the in your face of Nation Friends! Who's ready for game development? I got messed up already. Okay, so the audio might be a problem, but my face and my quotes, my sentence is even bad. I say bad shit. So far audio is good. Sweet. Sweet. Look at that. Everything is, the color is out. I think the green screen doesn't help, but the color, like, it's not vivid. I feel that my face is all black or gray. I have to fix that out somehow. Anyway, boot, let's go right now. I love those transitions. I love OBS. I love it. Except the fact that I look gray. I look like a skeleton. I look like I should go outside, which I should. Actually, it is something I should do. Go outside more often. It's actually something I am leaning to add on my to-do list of my daily to-do list. You know, I'm using this little app called Habitica. It was called Habit RPG before, and I'm using that to include some nice habits in my life, like do some exercise, read books, play piano, some stuff like that, you know. And just to remind me to stay healthy. And there's one of them that I'm very considering adding to the list, and it's like go outside. For the simple reason that I work from home. And I'm always with my family, my kids, so I spend a lot of time with my family and everything. But sometimes I can spend like 3 days in a row without going outside. And I'm like, man, wow, look at the sun today. Bam, exercise. Speaking of exercise, thank you very much for that cheer, my friend. Alright, enough babbling. How about we do some presentation? Am I right? Am I right? Oh, look at those transitions. Wow, look at you, man. Alright, so I'm gonna push that up a little bit. Which one? Ah! That is a fake! 15 months and still fighting. Thank you so much, my friend. 15 months. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, the firework doesn't work. That's the bad thing about OBS. I broke the fireworks. It's gonna be fixed someday, but right now my focus, focusing on Just Shapes and Beats to finish up that game, guys, so I can finally say, hey, it's ready, you wanna play it? My focus is on Just Shapes and Beats. So, how about the gals team with Alpine Imp? Ballon! I'm gonna work on your stuff, Ballon, today. Ballon that I just clicked on, Ballon Nazar, is actually making level for Just Shapes and Beats as we speak. Oh! It's a punch in the face! Here! 1989! 6 months and still fighting. Thank you very much. You have a new badge, my friend. You just got yourself a new badge. Sweet! Let's continue. Benditalera, Bossano, Dardanus of Fate. Your fate is inevitable. CG the Tiger, Captain Grandma, Brian Locke, Monkey Man, DJ Vil, Scratch the Sounds. Larkland. I think mustache needs to be fixed. Yep, you're right. Zoe, Happy Dance. Hey, Happy Dance, Happy Dance, Happy Dance. Waldeck TBD, Vigor, Valmore, Ursobot, Beep Boop, is it time for a chest yet? Roy, Toby Bob, Tim Curit, Stimpy, Steve Arrow is saying my shield need jalapenos. Standing, Spramrot, Scott Florence, PP or Pepe. Probably more Pepe. Angie Say, sorry. Mrs. Still, Machini Cristona, Kill Paladin, Jeff Rollish. Dude, there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of people. Glada, Gears, Epic Sax Gans. Game fail, Fire Shard, look at you, man. Long live the Cat Empire. Fang, Amphir, LNC, Double T Ties, and the Rumply. Welcome aboard, guys. Welcome aboard. I don't know, there's no way to see on OBS how many people is watching. Usually I had that little stat. I had that stat usually with XSplit, but I don't. Oh, 100 already. Whoa, so much pressure. Holy shit. 100 people just watching me babble some nonsense. Alright, I'm gonna do it. So guys, as the title of the show suggests, I think that the music is a bit too small. Alright, as the title of the show suggests, yeah, I wanted to introduce something new for the stream. Me and Kojak went on Reddit a couple of times to check out on Zombidle. Well, we are actively looking at comments on Zombidle. I'm gonna say like Kojak is actively looking at the comments from Zombidle on Reddit. I'm more focused on Just Shapes and Beats once again. Although we feel that the community feel that we're not present enough on Reddit, and since that's directly from Zombidle. Since I'm playing right now, directly from Zombital, we point people to go on Reddit if they want to, you know, talk with the community and everything. And now we feel from the community that we are not answering enough. We're not there enough. So things are starting to go badly, or people are starting to make presumption and say like, you know, the usual, they just want to add more ads and don't care about the game. So it's just starting to pile up a little bit, and before it comes to be very toxic and people saying, you know, bad thing about us and everything, we thought about a new things we could do on the show. We're gonna test it out today. I'm not sure how we're gonna be, but basically 15 minutes or 30 minutes at the end of the stream, like around 4 p.m. I will be me and possibly Kojak go directly on Reddit and just read the comments. Just read the comments out loud with you guys and check out the feedback. So that might be fun, because I believe some people out there are very frustrated and like call us, "You evil corporate soulless whore," and stuff like that, you know. So that'll be fun to check it out. That'll be fun too. And actually, it's also a way for us to deal with the comments, because when my day is done, when I'm with my family and just relaxing, playing piano, 9 p.m, whatever, my day's off, I definitely don't want to read comments, because I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and I'm not in the mood to get punched in the face. So I just block myself to go there. And in the morning, I'm actually super productive, so that would be a nice way to go check out the comments, although I'm using that productive time to work on Just Shapes and Beats and be sure that the rest of the team is working on stuff. So I'm using that over there. So we're thinking, we're just brainstorming about the idea, and then we said like, okay, how about we do it on the stream? Because on the stream I put my big smile and it's all happy, it's all with, you know, music and show, and you guys can help me out if it goes down to very dark places. You can help me out to cheer me up and just say like, hey, it's just one guy or whatever. So we're gonna do this together, and it'll be easier that way. It'll be easier for me to deal with negative comments, and yeah, at the same time we're gonna respond to Reddit. We're gonna do that, and then what? There's a little chest. There you go. Pick it up. I'll be back in the check in a second. But yeah, the other thing we wanted to do is make the answer in 30 seconds, so we can, you know, pump out, you know, different comments. And the other reason why we want to do it for 30 seconds is because on Twitch you can do some clip. So after the 30 seconds, I'm gonna go on Twitch and try to do a clip of what I just did and send that to Reddit as well. So we're gonna do an answer textually, and also a little clip saying like, hey guys, I'm talking about your comment right now. There it is, following you. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. So that's basically the thing, making the clip, making, you know, sending video of us talking about the comment and say, hey, look, I am here, I am the dev, and I'm reading your comment and I respond. I believe it'll help the community to see that we value our user, we value our community, and we want to show that we're there and we're listening to them. And also it's gonna help us to explain our situation, our side of the view for Zombital. Why are we focusing on feature A instead of feature B? Why did we do that decision over there? Why we did that? So it'll be easier, you know, as a player to understand, oh, okay, now I understand. You were in front of problem A, B, C, and you decided to do D. Instead of just, I don't fucking dev, they don't know about shit. No Loot is following the channel. Welcome aboard, thank you very much for following. And I'll go back to the... whoa. When are we going to get medals for leveling up minions to 1,000 in Zombital? I don't know, my friend. This is something... medals, you're talking about the achievement? If we need to add achievement is very easy to add, actually. So if we need to add some, it's gonna be very easy to do so. We can take a look at the achievement later on, me and Kojak, and see if there's more to do. Make it double trouble with double sub. What did I miss, Larkland? You said something. You missed bits. Oh, somebody sent bits. Whoa, 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 hang on. There's a 1,000 here. Was it bits? Was it 1,000 bits? What? Oh, Fire Shard sent 1,000 bits? And I missed it? Did it appear on the screen? Did it at least appear on the screen? Because they, I think it didn't detect it because it's not said like cheer. What? What? Hang on, where? Oh, it's not gonna be there. Damn! Thank you very much, man. Thanks a lot. Sweet. Lots of bits. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, it didn't recognize it because it's not cheer something. I'm looking for text, and if it's cheer something, the animation pops. So now it's not there as well in my tool. Whoopsie! I like breaking things. LOL. What did you do, by the way? What did you do? What did you do to make that with the little emotes instead? I didn't know you could do that. Okay, let me see something. Where was I? Stream RPG, yeah, it's all good. I don't remember where it was. It's because your bit check search for the word cheer. Yep, still need to update it to pull from the bits tag. That way you can do okay. Yeah, I do agree. There's a little problem there. That's so bad that you're streaming like super often. Kojak too, mods are really present and helping, and you still need to do things to show that you care about your community. Yeah, that's the part of the job. That's part of the job, my friend. It is. Like, for example, the diamond thing. We wanted the player to have 10 diamonds per day. That's what we did since day one. There was actually an exploit where you just refresh and you could refresh and counter, so you could go get to more than that. On mobile, I was getting about 35 diamonds per day. For real! Thank you much for the face. 2 months and still fighting perm. Thank you very much, my friend. So for the diamond things, I was getting about 25, 35 on nice active day, you know? So it wasn't a problem. People pointed out that people were refreshing it, but we didn't sense that it was a big issue or people were just like exploiting it at hell. We're just like, oh well, if people can get more than 10 per day, we're cool with it. Until some people made a script who just exploited the shit out of that feature and made like 5,000 diamonds per day and started to distribute that script to everyone. So now we said, okay, now that's a problem. We need to fix it out, you know? And when we did, we said, okay, we're gonna cap it at 60 diamonds per day. So remember, it was only 10 per day. We cap it up at 60 just to be sure. And still, people on Reddit, some people on Reddit went on fire and said like, oh, they don't care about diamonds anymore now, they just want more ads, blah, blah, blah. Like, no, we were fixing a problem. People are cheating, obviously cheating, and then brag to non-cheater people, to like legit people. So we just want to, you know, make the game as fair as possible for everyone. But somehow we're still bad. So the solution to that is just to explain it. It's just to appear and just to be there and say like, hey, I read your comments and this is why we did that. Most of the time, a little story, little backstory, or a little anecdote. Most of the time, when people say very bad stuff to them, like insults and shit like that, like you corporate soulless whore, which is an actual comment we receive at one point. When we receive very dark stuff like that, we just reply and say, hey, I'm sorry that my game didn't work for you, have a nice day. You do something like that, you know? And then the guy just reply and say, oh my god, I'm very sorry that you read that comment, I was having a bad day, I love all your game, keep up the good work. The same guy who just called us the corporate soulless whore on internet switch the gear off and just say like, whoa, I'm sorry man, I had a bad day and everything. So it's as easy as that. You just reply and 95% of the time people just switch back and like, oops, I talked to an actual human being. Whoops, now I feel bad. So it's part of the job. If you just like, if you just ignore the insult and just say like, hey, have a nice day, my friend, it's gonna switch back. But if you leave it like that way, it's just gonna pile up a bunch of comments, a bunch of people who are not happy, and the dev not replying will just make it like, if you go on Reddit, like for example, let's say we do nothing for the next 6 months. In 6 months, Reddit will go toxic. People will, you know, there's there's a lot of probability that they're gonna call us like evil devs and everything just because we're Silence Radio. So we just want to avoid that, you know. We just want to say like, hey, we're there. And we actually do read comments as well. But anyway, enough babble of that. I think that I've been talking about the old common thing for the past 20 minutes. So how about I shut myself and I go to code. Legend friends, this might help you with some backlash regarding Diamond. Thanks for the diamond. Oh, okay, cool. 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 Thanks for the diamond. Sweet, 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 sweet. That'll help out. Sweet. Yeah, like, I hope there's, I hope, there must be some positive comment as well, but it's gonna help us out to weed out the bad one. That's sad though that it's part of the job, right? You know, at the end of the day, I just want to make games and have fun and give entertainment to people. But then I have to do a bunch of other tasks that is like, come on, I don't want to do that. Can I make more games instead? So yeah, okay. Where are we? Where are we? It is good to reply with a nice comment. Most people actually like the games and just want people to notice them. Yeah. Usually the loudest are the minority. Like, we hear a couple of people saying like, that's it, that update made it for me, I'm not playing anymore, fuck those devs, blah blah blah. And then a bunch of people reply, yeah. And I'm like, whoa, everything is on fire, right? I read this and I'm like, oh my god, people are going away. And then I look at the stats and even the guy who said that is still playing every day. So, and I see like everybody is still playing every day and having fun. So that's just like 10 people. At the end of the day, it's just like 10 people out of 1,000 or out of dozens of thousands of users, you know. But it's very hard to make a probability. It's very hard to check that proportion. Okay, so we have the level editor. One thing I want to usually subreddit is usually pretty good. Sometimes people choice words, but typically fine. Just some people frustrated sometimes. All right, sweet. I didn't like refresh, but now it seems like I can make a lot of diamond with even no refresh. Yeah, you don't need to refresh anymore. Actually, it's fixed, you know? It was a bug and it's fixed now. So, it was harder. Moche-lâche, nous allons, tonton. Did I miss your shout, by the way? Does the shout work? Shout, nous allons, oh, tonton. Yeah, it does work. It does work. Nous allons, tonton. If car is just a shape, can you beat him? Oh, pudooks. Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Yeah, the I'm done with this game is like super ordinary. Latch, tell me the truth. What is better, 100 green shards or 100 yellow shards? Or 50-50? I don't know the answer to that, actually. I remember that in the buildings in hell, we decided to make the bank... Yeah, we decided to make the bank more pricey, more expensive than the armory. I don't remember the logic. I don't remember. I remember I debated that and I made a point. I remember it was a logical point. I remember that it was something that made sense back in the day, but now I don't remember. So if we take that in consideration, if skulls if multiplied by 2 skulls is better than multiplied by 2 DPS, as the hell state, you should be better with green shard. But I don't remember. For me, when I play, I do 50-50. Like, I try to be about the same. You know, I have 17 and 15. Look at that, the green shard. So I have 17 and 15 on my end. Hang on. I gotta deal with the devil. Oh, it's actually my face! Oh! Wow! Thanks a lot, Latch, for all those diamonds. Why the hell did I put my face, my actual face, in the game? Now people have an actual face to hate. Hang on, I'm gonna switch world, because I finished. This is super important. I told you guys I play this on Bio. Okay, let's go back to this. Yeah, level editor. The one thing I wanted to do first is to check out with the profiler. So what about if I open Scout? Oh, by the way, can you hear the music in the background? Guys? Can you hear it? That's desktop, but that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Now I want it now. La 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 la. Compiler is missing. Okay. Oh shit. Nice beard, legend friends. LOL. Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. I don't know if it was sarcastic or not, but I don't care. I'll take the compliment. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Bon garçon, t'es content? Ok. Tout va bien? Oui. Oui. I'm alone with my kids today. So my little boy is just right over there, just watching some stuff on the iPad until my wife comes back. My wife is actually making is Trump 88. So weak, 6 months until fighting. Enjoy the new badge, my friend. Thank you very much for the sub. I came for the cooning, stayed for the serenading. Nice. The music in the background is very, very silent. Okay. How about the punches? Are the punches very bad? Maybe I can do something like this. I don't know. Should be louder on your hand now. Should be. So if I put that up a bit as well, that should be something. But you might get punched in the face like very loud. So let me know. The punches are loud enough. It might be a little bit louder now. Because what I want to do is have them very loud in my ear, so I get to scare jump all the time. But I don't want to destroy your ears, so I just have to fix that up. Alright, I'm gonna warn you guys. Okay, let's do a test right now so I can warn you before. Watch out, I'm gonna make a punch. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let me know how it is. Let me know how it is. How it is. Is there a way I can make more color in my face? I feel that I'm super non-saturated. I need a little bit of saturation. It's good now. Okay, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Because, you know, I can put my face like this, or like this. The brightness as well is bad. The gamma is that. But it's only this. It's not color correction. I want to remove it. Yep. What else? Image mask. Oh, yeah. Sharpen. What is sharpen? Wow! Nice. Look at that. Okay, and then I'm just like, okay. Image mask. That's pretty cool. Can do an image mask. Nice. Alright. So I made a chroma key. Because, you know, here I have more color. So it's definitely the green screen. But if I don't, like right now, it doesn't remove the green screen at all. That's probably this point. Yeah. Ah! No, it definitely removed this. But I don't get it. It's like green, but not green. I don't have the proper green. I feel that the light should be like directly on the thing. Color key. How about that then? Can I pick it? No, I cannot. Ah! That's a bit better. Yeah, I can still see some green around my my face, but I feel it's better. I have a little bit more color. Ah! Okay, yeah, I'll do. That'll do. Whatever. Still waiting for all the Christmas items to be crafted into a snow zerker. Nice. Music could be a little bit louder, but anyone and it might overpower you. Okay, okay, sweet. Speaking of music, guys, you have to listen to you have to go buy this album, like right now. Stop making everything, stop doing what you do, and go get that album. Smooth McGroove remixed. Alright? Hang on, I'm gonna start from the beginning. Smooth McGroove remixed. And there's one song in there that I definitely won for Just Shapes and Beats, and I hope I can. So listen to this one. This one is Giles. Fucking love that song. It is so, like, I told my wife, okay, Yenka, I just bought the ultimate geek music. And she was like, what? I was like, okay, it's an a cappella guy. He doesn't know much about, you know, video games and stuff. It's like, it's a guy who make a cappella version. It's a guy who make a cappella versions of video game music, and then she was like, oh boy, already. And then it's remixed by different artists to make it as techno, dubstep, soul, whatever. And she was like, what? And I'm like, and it's awesome! She was like, okay, well, if you like it, good for you. But that's freaking awesome. I have to share it with you guys. It is, I definitely love it. It's on Game Chop. Alright. I'll pause. You have to buy this out. I just like instant bought it, and I freaking love it. It's my playlist now. I don't know if I can go stream it though. Probably not. Look at that drop, man. Fucking awesome. So that one is the Giles team. But there's one music I really want for Just Shapes and Beats, and I'm gonna poke those guys forever. Because, you know, the entire album, I cannot use any song because they're coming from video games. So if you want to, you know, album is fine. I mean, selling album of covers of video games is kind of in the gray zone, and it's fine when you go through certain labels. So, for example, I believe so. I will have to talk with the Game Chop guys actually, but it is possible. But using one of those songs that come from video games inside one game, that is super hard to do. So I'm just like, Street Fighter 2, no way I can put that in Just Shapes and Beats. Castlevania, Super Mario, Pokemon, blah, 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 blah. All those games I can't do much. But there is one game in there. One game that I might be able to put in there. This one. And I'm gonna do everything in my power to try to put that song in my game. Because that'd be amazing. I'm gonna have both Smooth McGroove and Undertale in Just Shapes and Beats. Boom! The song is made to be in Just Shapes and Beats. Listen to this. I want to make a level out of this one. I thought the song I sent you was great, but this is even better. Right, Monkey Man? This is beautiful. I want that song in Just Shapes and Beats. It is possible. I'm gonna say, it's gonna be hard, but I think it's possible. We have to convince the right people. So I have to convince 3 key people. I think it's VOIA, the guy who remixed it. Smooth McGroove, obviously. And Toby Fox. I have to actually convince those 3 people. I think that it's gonna be fine, you know. Toby Fox was okay with his merchandise. I'm following him on Twitter and everything, and I saw him talk about merchandise and license. Like, I cannot just take it and do it. I cannot do that. That's gonna be a dick move. So I have to ask for permission, of course. But considering how he treats people who wants to make fan stuff from Undertale, I think it's possible to do it. Because it's not like the entire game is trying to be an Undertale ripoff. Like, it's 1/30th of the entire game. It's only one level, so it represents like 3% or 2% of the game, because there's gonna be like a lot of other stuff in Just Shapes and Beats. So it's just like a nice nod to the game. Plus, you know, it's remixed and it fits perfectly with the game.
Papa,
Oui.
est-ce qu'il reste des crêpes?
S'il reste des crêpes? Regarde.
Est-ce qu'il reste en bas?
Ça reste d'autres? Non, il y en a plus. C'est juste ceux-là qui restent. Puis du beurre de pinot avec des bananes dedans. Comment arc? Comment arc? C'est super bon! Arrête donc! Arrête donc! C'est fini la chanson? Ah, fini! Bouh! C'est fini! C'est de l'eau?
Oui.
Drinking beers. It's sparkling water.
Enfin, il y en a. Enfin, il y avait beaucoup de...
Okay, so compiler.debug must be set only once. What's that? It's not even on the list anymore after you found these beauties. Well, the list is a list of lots of potential.
Papa?
OMG, Lash makes his kid drink beer. Oui? Oui, tu peux, mon homme.
Pourquoi?
De quoi, pourquoi? Vas-y.
Ça, il veut plus?
Pardon?
Il veut plus ça?
Ben oui, j'en ai encore, mais tu peux en prendre.
Ok.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Ouais, il veut le
Tu veux le couper? Tu veux le couper avec quoi?
couper.
Couper avec du ketchup?
Ah, je coupe avec... Attends,
Attention là, mets-moi pas ça dans les yeux là! Tu vas me briser les yeux! How come I can't do that?
Papa,
So, I want to stop this music. It's awesome. I guarantee you the entire album is mwah, it's beautiful. It's now my new album I listen in the car. I love it. Abyss Watcher from Dark Souls 3 is insane. It's so heavy. It's so intense. You have to, like, go buy it. Go buy it. But, you know, I don't want to play it on the stream if I don't have the permission for it. So I'm not going to do a dick move. I'm just going to remove it. But I definitely want to talk to those Game Chop guys. Game Chop being the label of the album. The album. Okay, so unable to open all those tools. Whoa. Tools. Andy Harder is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Now, why the hell are you trying to go in tools? Like C-lib tool?
Papa,
Oui, mon garçon.
Et quand il peut me faire couper?
Tu veux couper la crêpe?
Ouais.
Couper la crêpe. Coupe la crêpe.
Papa, quand il peut faire couper la crêpe?
Oui, je peux te couper la crêpe, mon garçon. Tu veux que je te coupe la tête?
Non.
Coupe. Non. Ah.
Coupe la crêpe.
Ah, coupe la crêpe, mon gars. C'est mon garçon. Whoa, we have the Sherv is following the channel as well. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Lash swearing in front of his children. Did I swear? Did I? In English, he doesn't understand English though. But that's definitely a problem though. I told you though, guys, that like if I say the F word is way less a problem than if I say the French Canadian swear word. Like in front of him, I'll be like, I will prefer to say the F word or S word or whatever in front of him than the French Canadian word. I'm gonna still tell him that it's bad, but like it's debatably arguably, when I say arguably, way less insulting or damage damageable if you say an English swear than the French one. I'm still gonna avoid the 2 though. No, I'm still gonna avoid both of them. Okay, I know what to do. Manger la tête. Manger la tête. Ah, il dit je fais des yeux là. Arrête-toi. Arrête-toi. Loïc. Arrête-toi. Puis tu ris en plus. De frère de tête. Oh, écoute ça, cette chanson est bonne. C'est bon ça. C'est bon, hein? Arrête! J'ai plein de cheveux dans la bouche! J'essaie de travailler! I'm trying to work! I'm trying to work, like, hey! Oh. Dark. Dark. Ah. Yeah, he's stealing your lunch. Yeah, that's true. That is true. It is happening. Okay, so why is this not working now? View song, show player. So show player didn't work. Gunzo! Oh my God, Gunzo SSM is here. Gunzo is here, man. How you doing, dude? Gunzo. Look at it. This beautiful gentleman over here, Gunzo SSM, dude, the creator of Toss the Turtle. Toss the Turtle, one of our biggest inspiration for Berserk Ball 1, which was our biggest game ever.
Bye-bye.
Thanks to that guy over here, Gunzo SSM, just following me. Sheesh! Gunzo is here! Sheesh! Oh my God! Thank you so much, Gunzo. Okay, so Toss the Turtle, guys, you know that classic Flash game back in 2008, 9, something like that. Gunzo SSM is the awesome artist, and he also runs a YouTube channel, and he's also on Twitch. So please, can somebody give him a shout? He's on Twitch. He's the man. You know Gunzo, that Mark from Berserk, the one that made our visuals like this and everything. He's really like, we are very into your stuff. We really love how you draw and everything, and he's watching you a lot of the time actually. Please, a big shout out to Gunzo. Follow. Can somebody do a follow comment, please? You have to do it. Please follow Gunzo.
Do it!
Do it right now.
Just do it!
Ah, sweet. Well, welcome to the show, my friend. Mine is a little bit more, I'm gonna say less visually. Is a little less visually than yours because I'm a coder, but I'm working on just chips and bits, and today, not much work will be done because I gotta take care of this little dude. Because mommy is outside today. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait, maman, donc?
Elle est partie faire les tatous.
Partie faire un tatou, c'est ça. She went outside to get tattooed on her third rendezvous. Not rendezvous, how is it called? Appointment? The third Oh! Ow, je t'ai arraché des cheveux, oups. Regarde ça. Ah. Grosse minute. Oh yeah, I fixed my problem. Woohoo! Good. How about we try to play so I can visually show you what the hell is going on in my stream, guys. Like what I'm trying to do. What I'm trying to do is to fix this. The level editor. So the thing is, the level editor is a bit laggy. So I just want... I'm clicking everywhere. Stop
Papa.
moving!
Papa, moi petit, moi ici.
T'es petit? Ben non, t'es grand. Elle fait des gros muscles. C'est Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Alright. Okay, so here's the game I'm working on, Gunzo. It's called Just Shapes and Beats. And that is one level I'm trying to do. So basically, it's a song, and it's a game based on the music. So this is a song I'm working on. Super simple, but I don't think the drop will be there. Actually, I could show you the rest of the game though. Ouch. Oui, je joue. And we got Skull. Follow the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so then I'm done. Okay. So this is the level editor. I can put my own stuff in there. I can map enemies on the keyboard, and as the music, I can listen to the music and play the keyboard. Like, so you want to be the star of the show, right? Is that it? Alright. Alright, there you go. It's now like and friend. Bye-bye. Vas-y, c'est toi.
Et moi?
Oui, c'est toi, Carl.
Quoi?
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait, là?
Je sais pas.
I'm gonna work. Petit bonhomme. Bon. Prenez du café, là. Okay. So yeah, and right now the level editor is a bit laggy. So the thing is, we are a team of 6 people working on Just Shapes and Beats. One is Mike. Mike, he takes care of the promotion, so that's why he is in PAX South right now. I'm the coder / game designer, so I just make sure that everybody is always working on something. We got Emily working on the visual. We got another coder who is basically my right hand. Is that it? Like he's making everything that I don't have time to work on, and I got somebody else to help me on the game design, which is Mark, and finally somebody who make levels. And the guy who make levels is named Ballon. I believe he's right here right now, actually. I believe he's right here right now. Ballon Nazar. I don't know. Is he? Yeah, Ballon Nazar is right over here. He's making levels, so I'm just helping him having a better tool to make new levels. That's what I'm trying to do today, while streaming, while babysitting. Steam and console, if I remember well. Yep. Yeah, we're aiming for Steam and consoles. Okay, so it is open now?
No.
Okay, so we can see right here. Well, I'm trying to see right here. Relegation. Come on, no. Come on, no. Comment ça, no? So rien fait. Okay, so there's a lot of code involved. Look at that. There's a lot of code involved. And there's a sort. Is it sorting like every frame or something? The hell? There's a sort. Refresh all spawn in order.
No.
I call that 4 times.
No. Papa. Papa.
Okay. View checkpoint progress update.
Papa.
Refresh.
Papa.
Ah, okay. So that takes a lot of juice. Oh, interesting.
Papa.
Uh-huh.
Papa.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Quoi?
Les gapis violettes.
Quoi?
Les gapis.
Il gaspille?
Oui.
Il gaspille pas, je le mange.
Mais
C'est
non.
pas une omelette, c'est une crêpe. Grosse bébête. Grosse bébête olympique. Okay, so view checkpoint progress. So the thing is, I'm calling checkpoint progress here in the update over here. I basically check is what? Progress refresh. Okay, so I call the refresh. Okay, I call refresh in there. Oh. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Tu m'en donnes ça, là?
Oui.
Ok. Tu veux alors jouer du iPad un peu?
Oui, iPad. Non.
No. I tried to learn ActionScript 2 back in the days. Oh, ActionScript 2 was very hard. Bye bye, mon garçon.
Bye.
Ah! Bye-bye, face de pet! On t'en fait, moi. Basically said, like, bye-bye, fart face. He's awesome. My little boy's awesome. I have an awesome-ass kid. Alright, no, I don't hear anything. Ah, voilà. Okay, where am I? Yeah, ActionScript 2. I started to work with ActionScript 2, but it was very hard. Coming from a academic background, ActionScript 2 was very weird. ActionScript 3 is much easier. Well, it looks more like Java or C# or any other language out there, so they pretty much like standardize the whole thing. But you know, I think that when you have friends that can do, like, for example, I was surrounded by Etienne and Mark, who were like an awesome artist. So at some point I was like, well, you know, there's no point for me to try to draw or animate. Well, animate, I like it, but there's no point for me to try to draw, because I have two other people that can do better than what I can ever achieve. So I'm gonna be the best coder out there. But there's people out there that are able to do everything on their own. We have interviewed some people here on the show that made everything by themselves. I'm talking about Nick Pasto from Pesto Force. He made everything by himself, like coding, music, everything. One-man army. And I'm like, dude, I have so much respect for you. I cannot do that. What is that? So why do I do that here? Get all checkpoints. So get all checkpoint is in there, and I do like refresh all spawn in order. Okay, I get the thing, but okay. Oh, that's view checkpoint progress. That's in the update thing. Oh, okay. So why do I do that? Every single frame? I kind of don't need to do that every single frame. Do I? Okay, I'm gonna try it anyway. So I'm gonna do this equal null, and all the other here, let's say like n and u equal null. So that should be done. That should be fixed. Yo, that's just up in your chest. Alright, there you go, guys. Take it up. It's yours. A little chest for you guys. Picking up all this experience point. How long has Berserk Studios been running for? We started in 2008, Gonzo. So that's like 8 years ago. Yeah, it was on December 2008. And I can always show you a little bit of story. What the hell? Yeah. Deep Sea Mahjong. Yeah, I did work on this. Okay, so if I go down, and then I go down, and then I go down. Yeah. So that was the very first game I ever did, but it was not from Berserk Studio. And then we made this one here, which is an abomination. It was a one-day game. Back when the game jam wasn't still a thing. We made a game jam inside our job in 2008. And then Mechanical Commando was the very first game we published under the Berserk Studios name. And then came Hero's Arm, and then came Swordless Ninja, and then came Trapmaster. Trapmaster is one of our favorite, actually. One of our favorite. It was a blend with a platformer and a tower defense. And then Mechanical Commando 2 came out, and then finally Berserk Ball, you know. Berserk Ball right over here, which was our biggest hit ever. Gunbot, Rocket Santa, which we did in a weekend. Deliveryman, which was nice. Frantic Frigate, which I did in like a weekend as well. Mark did the visual, but I made that in 3 days, and it went into the nomination of best game ever on Congregate. It was in the 16 best game ever on Congregate. It was like, what? That little game I made in like 3 days. Nuclear Justice, Sense of Coliseum, which people are still playing today and still asking us to make updates on this one, but unfortunately, yeah, the project is canned. Gornax, which is a very simple game jam game. Deep Sea Mahjong, which was just like a side project I worked on. Berserk Battle, which was very nice. You could make your own level and share your levels with everybody with a level editor. It was very cool, but it cost a lot of money. We lost a lot of money on this. I'm super proud of the project, but like we spent in the 6 digit in that game, and we made about a few thousand. So a big fail. Financially, a big fail, but the game, I love it. I really loved it, this setup. Peacekeeper, very popular game as well, pretty cool. Berserk Ball 2. And then finally, Kick the Critter that we made for a client, SkyQuest, and finally, Zombital, which is not there, but Zombital can play right now. So that's basically it. It's not all the game we did, but it's basically, I think, covered like 80% of the game we did. And now we're working on a very first console game, baby! Just Shapes and Beach! Okay, and with all this, I just wanted to see... Oh, look at that! That was before, and now it's this. We optimized the shit out of this. Sweet. So what if I do this and then I do play? Okay, so we definitely see that the rendering is way less. Okay. So I'm gonna go back here, and now the rendering should be... Is there a way I can see for the rendering what takes more? That's action script, display this rendering. That's probably because of all of these little points over here. Oh no! Rendering dirty region, 17, that's not much. That's not much. La li la li la li la 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 li la li la li la la ba da ba da ba da ba ba da da ba li la li la li la 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 li la li la li la la. Others should be like yeah, the game itself. Alright, so I don't think it will have fixed it, but at least can you select everything instead of just this? Ah, voila. Okay, so now the rendering is insane. And the action script is not much. No, can't I do this? Bitmap constructor, so when I clear the graphic, I do that on refresh. Oh, George is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following.
Because of the extreme amount of bass, listeners' discretion is advised.
Okay, it says here that the dispose of the clear graphic here. Okay, so the clear graphic here really takes the cake. It takes the cake and eats it. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Okay, let's check it out. Danger Zone. Danger Zone. Highway to the Danger Zone. draw graphic, so clear graphic takes the cake, which probably, yeah, shit. Yeah, I do construct a shit ton of bitmap data. No shit. So what if instead of doing this, I could just clear it or something? I don't know. What if I don't do that? It's probably like a clear or something. Nope. Okay. Have you tried super try? Dude, no, I did not. I did not yet. I was looking for it for a while, dude. I'm gonna fix that right now. Subscriber, Cornick. 20 months and still fighting. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you so much for the 28th punch in the face. Thanks, man. Okay, I'm gonna fix that right now, dude. Toss the turtle. Get. Right in your face. I'm doing it live. That's it. I'm gonna stop the show and just play the game. Hang on. Touch. 18984. There we go. Voila. Installing some on the iPad better be good. Well, it's an idle game, so if you don't like idle games, just don't play. You won't like it, but it's an idle game, so we really like idle games here. So Clicker Heroes, Adventure Capitalism, Non-Stop Night, Cookie Clicker. I even tried a old game called Trimp on Congregate as well. I really enjoyed it. What else? The Darkest Room, kind of an idle game-ish, but I really like the idle games, so we just wanted to make one as well. But if you don't like idle games, you won't like it. You say my stream is more flashy, but you got animation and art all over the place. By the way, Gonzo, it's all free, huh? My tools and everything I can show you, but I made something called the Latch Tools right over here, and if you want it, I can give it to you. Basically, you can put your alerts, and it's all in Flash, so you can make your animation. It all use Flash, so I believe that you, since you're one of the few left working with Flash and saying that Flash is awesome, you can use this tool very easily for yourself. So you have your follow alerts, your sub alerts, host alerts, donation alerts. So if you receive a donation, you can do something like this, for example. Woohoo! So we got this, or when it's more fancy, let's say that I will receive something like this. New donation for your singer talents. And then I made something that you can have a goal. So for every $100 you receive on the show, I'm giving something back. I do a giveaway. And you can also make a big goal. So there's like two big tank. It's all it's working on with OBS and XSplit. Let me show you really quickly. It's not out yet, but I can send it to you personally. I can totally do that. So yeah, look, that's the way you can set your goal, recurrent goal or big goal, and you set whatever you want. It's gonna appear on your show on the widget. That is called Stream RPG as well. If you want that, you can as well. That's another thing. It's a little game where you can where people on the stream can play and appear on the show. So that was Monkeyman. Just check this out. Monkeyman just appearing on the show, and subs can shout and appear on the show directly. Otherwise, you can take this and do a little presentation of everybody watching the show right now. It's loading up because there's a lot of people. Ah, ooh, didn't work. Come on, look at me. But yeah, basically, look, people can do this. Like they can. They see the channel over here. We can even put your channel in there if you want. Monkeyman! So you open the chest, you get the experience points like this, and then you level up like this, and when you level up, you get more pieces of equipment like this. So we can totally put your stuff in there. I would love to have your stuff in there, man. Like the Toss the Turtles and everything. So those are all little avatars that Mark worked on. pizza shield. We have the shit ton of stuff. You can also put some mustache like this and some hat like this. It's all. Rolling the doors. Welcome aboard. And also here on this one. Thank you very much, my friend, for the second sub. So yeah, basically your player, people watching you can make their own customized avatar. So if I go like save like this, and then I go in the chat and do like shout sup, there you go, my little avatar here appear and go like sup. So you can do also Q&A, so people can ask question, and you can make them appear on the show, etc, etc. And finally, in the chest that they collect every 15 minutes, that's something that I do on my side. If I go to the admin here, I can refill the chest, so give it to everybody. When I do so, the chests appear on the stream just like this. Whee! Pick it up. So now everybody on their client over here, they can go here and say like, oh, open the chest quick, boop, and they get the chest, and yay, they get some stuff. In the chest there's experience points, but there's also feature items. So for example, we welcome the new broadcaster named Bast. He has a couple of items on his own, so people can get one of those 3 items over there. So we could definitely put your own stuff in there. So I don't know, if it's something that you want to do, you have Skype or Discord. I have both, my friend. So yeah, totally. I actually sent you a message, Gonzo, on Twitter a while ago. Yeah, definitely. Go, there's a Discord right below me. There's a Discord link. Yeah, because I was asking you if you want to be part of an interview. Because on Wednesday, usually I call people and I do a little thing called Awesome People I'd Like to Be. Check this out. It's awesome people I'd like to be! And then it's a little interview with you. You appear over there, like a big gonzo over here, and we just babble, talk about games, talk about whatever. It's like a podcast. It's super simple, and voila. Now I feel that the animation fucked it up a little bit. Oopsie! Let me put it again. Yeah, it was like a color key that didn't work out. Yep. Let me try that again. That's more like it. It's awesome people I'd like to be blah 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 blah. But yeah, that's basically it, my friend. But yeah, you know, I'm streaming for the past 2 years, even more than that, and I made a shit ton of animations and tools for Twitchers. Some of them are public, like the right now the giveaway tool. If you want to do a giveaway, you can just like, oh, let's do one right now. Why not? I'm gonna add everyone. So that's my giveaway tool over here. I can add everyone here. Boop. I can see like 89 people are here in the chat right now. And I'm gonna do an ice shield giveaway. So I set that up here and I just start this. It's ice shield giveaway. It's a real one, guys. It's a real one. Let's do an ice shield, guys. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? So again, this, you can download this right now, Gonzo, but if you want access to more, I can give it to you, like personally. Just hook me up, send me a PM on Discord and I'll do it. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Loading Google is our winner! Fuck yeah! But the cool thing that I would like to do is there's 50 seconds to show yourself in the chat, otherwise the monster will eat you and you won't win. 50 seconds to show yourself in the chat. Do it! Do it! Show yourself, my friend. The monster will eat ya! There you go! So the tool detects that he has spoken in the chat and just give him the thing. But let's suppose that, I'm just gonna finish that, and then you can make like a little PNG like this, So like a PNG loading the guard, blah blah blah, and then you can go with share over here, and you share it on Twitter. So I got like a congrats loading guard for winning. I'm gonna say winning the ice shield like this, and that's the preview image. I'm gonna send the tweet on my account on Latch, and I'll send the tweet on Legends Friend as well. Voila! So the tweet has been sent. If I go here and then on Twitter slash, voila! The tweet has been sent automatically. So you can do like giveaways like this, send it up, and alert the universe that it's happened. What else? What I wanted to show you. All this is customizable, by the way. You can put your own animation instead. And yeah, it might have some a little bit of code involved, because you know my animation is my animation has a bunch of code included, and it's all baked into one thing. But yeah, basically you can do whatever you want. And finally, like let's say the guy didn't answer enough. 3 seconds. Please say something. Oh my god. Oh no. Ah, so he lost, and then we can do another giveaway. So that's about it. Now I'm gonna send him a piece. Let me show you. So back, the ice shield thing is something we do on this channel. So I can go on my stream RPG here on the admin side, and I can go like, okay, loading Dogar. I can choose like 100 experience point. I can send him experience point. I can send him key, for example, key for a Steam key. I can send it there, or a piece of costume. So he just won the ice shield. So I go over there, I select the ice shield, and then I go create, and it's gonna send him his way. And when I do that, when I'm gonna do it on the other computer though, when I do that on the show, what happens? Boot. Is it's gonna show on it's gonna appear on the show that I do that. Look at it. There we go. Letting the Gore has received a unique item, kots.tv, blah 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 blah. So I spent a shit ton of time working on all those tools, and I'm slowly giving that to other broadcaster, but right now it's a limited amount of people. And Gonzo, you're one of them. If you want that, if you're interested, like if you say, well, hey, that's all cool, but it doesn't really fit with my Twitch, I'll totally get it. And I won't be like, please, dude, use my stuff, Gonzo, be my friend. Like, you do whatever, you do what you want, but if you think that your audience will like it, just hook me up, man. I'll send it to you for free. Okay, enough of Lash tools and shit. How about, is there, you programming all this? Yep, I did. Over the course of the last 2 years, I did all that shit. I made it a lot, like the animation, the giveaway animation, I made it, but it's like, it's a bunch of visuals that Mark did. I just took visuals from other people, but you know, I can do a little bit of animation. Like, if I have the assets, I will be able to do the animation. My favorite one, the best one I ever did animate, is that is by far the best thing I ever did. I ever animated, like combining everything together. I was like, oh my god, with the music, that's totally
Papa,
up my alley. Oui?
j'aimerais ça avoir toujours iPad, mais iPad de ma...
L'iPad il marche plus. Hein. Est-ce que maman est dans le coin? Maman est pas arrivée encore, hein?
Oui.
Et où maman, donc?
Maman est partie faire les tatous.
Parti faire un tattoo. Parti faire un tattoo. Looking forward to chatting with you guys. Sweet. I joined your Discord. Alright, just PM me, man, on Discord. Gonzo. And, again, if you needed anything, I spent a shit ton of time to make it work on OBS and make it as easy as possible. All the steps are in there. We tested it with a bunch of broadcasters as well. I would definitely love to, you know, I would put you in a schedule over here. I could do that so people could see like, oh, Gonzo is live, and, you know, do that. There's also Bast, I was thinking. But yeah, all of this is just like limited to a few broadcaster, because I don't know what to do with this yet. I don't know if I want to distribute it for free for everyone. But the thing is, if I do that, if everybody can use it, all the broadcasters can use it, somebody can just go into the admin section and send a bunch of experience points to everybody and just break everything. You know, so I'm limiting that to a bunch of broadcaster, but I don't know what I want to do with that. I just don't yet, because I'm focusing on just Chips and Beats these days. Quoi?
Mais maman est nue.
Quoi?
Maman est nue.
Maman est revenue?
Oui.
Elle est en bas? Ah, bon, il m'a même pas dit bonjour. Elle va dire bonjour. Bonjour. Alright, sorry. I'm missing the mic tag in the podcast animation. Yeah. Latch, please play slot again for us. Okay, I'm gonna try slot. Is that alright? Is that alright? So to explain a little bit to Gonzo here again, I have a lot of difficulty because, you know, I'm a French Canadian, so je parle français. But there's a few words that my accent really make me into uncomfortable situation, and one of them being the slot word, S-L-O-T. Whenever I say it, it sounds like I say slot, like S-L-U-T, and I'm trying to see the difference, and it's very hard. So it was very funny when I was coding. For example, I was coding an inventory. So I was like, okay, so now I'm gonna put some empty slot, and then I'm gonna put some sword slot, and he's gonna have like head slot as well, and axe slot, and boot slot. And people in the chat were like, wow, oh my god, wow. It was like, what is happening? But yeah, it's impossible for me to pronounce that freaking word. Slot. Ah! Triple Marco! 24 months. Ah, there you go, man. 2 years. You have the fanciest badge. Mark, you know who's here? Gonzo is right here. Mark, Le Beau Marco, Gonzo, you guys have to connect together. Mark is the awesome artist who made the like most of the visuals. He's 1/3 of Berserk Studio. He's working on a lot of cool stuff. He made Berserk Ball 2, Berserk Ball 1. Gonzo is here, man. He's also made all the, you know, I was showing the costume and everything. So that's all Mark design. All those pieces of equipment and everything, that's all Mark. You guys definitely have to talk together. Look at that. What? Gonzo's the boss. I know, right? Gonzo the man. Gonzo the legend. Where am I? I am all over the place. What's up? Okay, I was doing optimization. That was what I was doing. Okay, so that's done now. What's the first thing in my list now? That's not the list. Ben on veut un Swift loader avec un dos sans. Okay, I'm gonna try to do that. So I need a Swift thing. That's Swift over there. Like this. I'm gonna right click on this. I have the time, and I have all those shit and everything broken. Alright. So if I go into model spawn now, voila. Swift load external Swift position external file. I'll also need what? The outro and warning time. What if I put 1 and 1? Well, that works. The warning time I don't need, so the warning time is 0. But the outro time I'll put 1 second. So if I do that, I think I'll be able to have the slider, which will help me add the Swift to the screen and determine when to get it out. Yeah, the firework doesn't work, guys. Double T ties, I'm very sorry, but I switched for OBS and the fireworks on my latch tools doesn't work. Yay! So I got the slider here. And why the hell is it 0? Everything is at 0. I think it's the freaking level editor again. So if I go there, just shapes and beats, visual, integrated, and then animate interface, level editor, where the fuck it is. Map, interface. Yeah, it's probably like, yeah! We All Playcast is hosting us for 60 viewers. We All Playcast, man. How you doing? How you doing, Raj? You've been somewhere. And then a punch, of course. Then a punch, of course. We All Playcast. 21 months and still fighting, man. Defend the stream. Ah, beautiful. Thank you very much for this. And then another punch. Cricket! Cricket! 3 months and still fighting. Thank you very much, my friend. Once again. Another punch now. Is it alright? Boom! Boom! Some cheers as well. And again. Boom! Boom! We All Playcast raid. We All Playcast raid. We All Playcast raid. Distraction, distraction, distraction. Where's the freaking level editor? Ah, here, alright. I'm gonna close Scout now. Done. Control Enter. Yeah, I know it says emote fireworks. Ah, sorry. Again. I don't want to blame OBS, actually. I'm gonna blame myself, but can I remove it? Ouch! Chico LP! Let's join the battle! Welcome aboard, man! Welcome aboard the big punches in my face! Shut up, lad! And also another follower. And he's also following the channel. Thanks, man! Thanks a lot! Auto trigger with settings, blah blah blah. So there you go. Now I can save it. I'm gonna remove everything. Voila. Alright. Dude, today, Everton, all the subs. Someone could say it's over 9,000.
It's over 9,000!
Okay, so no, it doesn't work. More cheers, more cheers. Why the fuck? Flash, if there's something I don't hate about you, if there's something I hate about you, if I have to say, if there's one thing I hate about you, is the text field. The way you handle text field, the font, the freaking font never work. Maybe turn it off in the tool setting. Yeah, I just did actually, Darkland. Thanks. I saw you switch to OBS recently. Is there any way for you to make the zoom on the code automatic now? I watch you on mobile most of the time and reading the blurry code is kind of hard. Oh, I can do that? Can I? Can I do that? Is it possible? Now I sound like Oniji. Well, I zoomed a bit, at least on it. Now I should be able to see it a bit more, although I don't know what to do to make it bigger. What the fuck is your problem? Why the hell is like all tool now? Oh, because I swear. Yeah, that's probably why. Okay. How goes the progress on JSB? It's going insanely faster than before. We finally are 6 people working on Just Shapes and Beats. The thing is, for a long while, I was alone working on it because I was always stressed out on working on demo build or demo for the FMC, for the CMF, or demo for X, or doing this, that, blah blah blah, you know. So like rushing the multiplayer to show that it's a proof of concept, to show that it was working. Rushing the build to Unity so we can push it up on PlayStation 4 to present it on last PSX. Rush it, and I was alone trying to always do that, you know. So the content, the game itself, the actual content of the game wasn't going. I wasn't working on that because I was alone on this, you know. We are a team of 3 originally, but I'm the game designer, so the artist was just waiting on me to do something. But now that I got that all of the way, we actually hired 3 more people to help us out, and now I'm more like the manager and say like, okay, you can work on this, you can work on that, and then whenever somebody says like, hey, I have a problem, I fix the problem so everybody can work on it. So it goes 6 times faster than before, finally. Well, I'm not gonna say 6, I'm not gonna count Mike in there, but at least it's going way faster than before. So I can do that, and also I slow down the amount of time that I Twitch, that I stream. So I stream only 3 times a week instead of 5. That helps as well. So yeah, it's going better, man. It's going better. It's gonna be ready when it's gonna be ready, but we are confident. We are confident. Right now we are aiming. I'm gonna say I'm gonna drop a secret right now. You ready? You ready? The last dims. Thanks for the host. I'm gonna drop a secret, but we are aiming internally. I'm aiming for April to finish the production. That's what I aim myself. I'm not saying that the game will be released in April. I'm saying that the production I'm aiming is to be finished by then. 80 Gaming, Thompson, man, how you doing? 24 months. It's still fine. It's been 2 years, man. Enjoy your new badge. Enjoy your new badge, bro. Bro. Okay, so that doesn't work for X, Y, and Z. So fuck it. I'm gonna switch it for Ariel. Oui, est-ce qu'il y a? Oh, okay. Mom is there. All right. So what about now? Good to hear you guys are making progress. Yeah, man, we are really. Okay, so finally I can see some numbers, and again I don't see the numbers here. I'm gonna replace everything for fucking Ariel. Ariel in the sky. When you lose a voice, you realize. I don't know the lyrics. Life is wonderful. Just hanging with Bibi. She's eating cheese. Sweet. What the fuck is wrong? Is it position? I think it's timeline. Yeah, there you go. That thing over there. So I don't know why, but fucking text and Flash, man. I hate it. I hate it so much. April, shut the fuck up and take my money. I don't want your money, my friend. I want to make a good game. Then money will come afterwards, but my #1 concern is to make a good game. Like, I definitely don't want to release my very first console game and not be proud of it. That will be... Denarian is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thanks for following. That will be putting like 10 years of hard work as an indie just to shit on it at the end. Fat Pelly is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so that all works now. Sweet. Okay. I don't understand why this is like that, but fuck it. I don't care. Alright, so now I have the outro. What if I go to the Swift Loader thing? No, it's not Swift Loader. I think it's a Spawn. FX Swift, is that it? FX Swift? No. FX Movie? No. Movie Loader? What it is again? FX, okay, Swift Movie Spawn. Sorry. Somebody burped from my mouth. Wasn't me, I swear. Wasn't me. No, 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 no. It wasn't me. Somebody birthed, but not me. Okay, so if I go in beam now, I'm gonna go in beam and then go to update. Probably here is idle time, blah blah blah, refresh, all that shit. Will it be automatically deleted? It's a spawn, okay. No. Is it? Is it? Maybe it's synced with render timeline. That's probably where. Refresh, check for destroy at end. Voila. So I will need to do this enemy use on last frame. Okay. I probably need to do active destroy, destroy on end. Get frame of enemy. Okay, so that's why. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Let's take the timeline of that little dude. Check for destroy on end. Just say like, hey, I don't have this function. We'll just fucking do it. Spawn. Do I have like myself as a spawn? Probably have it. Alright. So if this is warning time completed, no, idle time complete. I think it's idle time complete. Although I really hate that name, but I think I'll do it. Like if the idle time complete, destroy. How about that? How about that? Will you guys be at PAX East? The game will be at PAX East. The game will be everywhere. All the PAXs, GDC, etc. Or Mike will be there at least. But I won't. I decided to cancel every convention. I will stay here in Quebec City working my ass off on Just Shapes and Beats until the game is done. Because when I go to a convention, I basically lose 1 week of work. So since that I really want to finish that up for April, I'm just gonna go in turbo mode, full throttle, blinders, just like fucking finish the game. And also there's also now 4 people relying on me to give them like a task and what to do and everything, you know. So if I go to a convention, it's basically 1 week that the entire team, well, not that much, but you know, you get what I'm talking about. I don't want the team to wait on me to say like, hey, what's next, what should we do? So I'm gonna wait here, I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna stream my face on internet so I can say, hey guys, how you doing? But basically I will not go to convention. Mike will be there, the game will be there, but I won't. But I'll be in your heart, guys. I'll be here. I'll be right here, guys, in your heart. Why do I sound like Oniji every time I do like an impersonation of? Okay, so I got Waldo. Now for people who don't know what the hell is happening with Waldo, that's because Waldo, everybody looks for Waldo. Everybody's asking where's Waldo, but nobody's asking how is Waldo. And that's why he's sad. So JSB, no, it's in junk. Poor Waldo, there you go. And we got a new follower, Albedo's following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. There you go. Nobody asked, how's Waldo? And he's crying. So we're gonna add it up here. Ah, cool, it works. There you go. So we did one thing. Yay, so now I can make it with the outro thing. Beautiful. Now after the loading thing, let me see, I think it's view param, external files, probably this one here, unload. Callback complete, select Swift file. Do I load it here? Probably don't. Why do I load it? Oh yeah, I do load it. Oh, stupid latch. Okay, I don't load it there though, so I will need to apply that to meta. Let me see into the Swift movie spawn thing. What do I do here? Apply load Swift requests. The fuck is request? Request is a meta request load Swift. Well, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and that's it. Yeah, you can manually make it up, so it'll be harder to do. Come Erase button is equal null. Why now? Because it's not a movie clip, I guess. Na 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 da 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 da. Okay, so Waldo is not in the game, by the way. It's just a funny thing. It's just a way, because for Ballon to make new level, I don't want him to code the collisions and everything. So I basically ask him, okay, take a music and make it up in the level editor and do it up there, you know. But so if he wants to add new enemy that has not been coded yet, it's hard. It's very hard because he's not a coder. He's a game designer, level designer, artist. So I basically made a tool where he can actually just load any Swift out there. Just load the freaking Swift and push it, put it up on the screen, wherever he wants, you know. So if you have like Waldo is my placeholder, but he can make like a new enemy, place it up on screen, decide to say like, okay, now what the hell? What the fuck? Seriously? Movie clip instead then. Come on, I don't care. But yeah, you can put a Swift on the screen and make it appear and based on the music. So we can use my secret thing. You can use my thing. There we go. Alright, so save this. I made one thing at least, finally. Like I said, par défaut, like that. Ajouter beam avec rotation. Okay, yeah. Enlever les commands, that's pretty easy. So we can go into model spawn in him like here and say like if come on here. I can just simply remove it. Can I just remove it? Will it work if I do that? Why the fuck is the freaking button side doesn't work? Everything is broken! Everything is broken! Everything is broken! It's broken! Movie clip. And then movie clip. Control enter. Wow. So yeah, comment is not here anymore. Beautiful. I made another thing. Okay, and now the beam. The beam is supposed to have an angle, I believe. Cheek is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Thank you very much for following. Beam cam on edge, that it? Fuck. It's gonna stay on the edge, this one. And I don't want it to do it. Okay, so at least we have that done. And guys, I think it's time to wrap this up and do the thing that we wanted to do. That I wanted to do. I want to go on Reddit and see what's up with Zombile and just talk about it. So pours Waldo. Yep, screw that. I just want to see if Shane is here. Sorry I'm late, and that I didn't stream today. Hang on, guys. Streaming now, but rather fuck you. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Still wanted to do the Reddit thing. I was about to do it right now. Can we talk about Zombino, or is that for another stream? Actually, I'm starting right now to talk about Zombino. I was about to go on Reddit and check out the comments, my friend. What's up? What's up, cheek? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Whoops. Yay! Okay, read first. Okay, so I don't know where I should start, actually. I don't know where I should start. Let me see. I got Shane maybe wanted to be here. So if so, I'm gonna add it up. What the hell is my... Is it because it's white? Yep. Okay, because there it's not. Holy shit! Holy shit! Blasphemy! 1k bit at once. Yup. Oops, I gotta run right now. It's still streaming and come back. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna do like a BRB very fast. I'll put some bile here. That's still the Xmas one though. Meh, whatever. I'll put this for a bit. I didn't upload it, but be right back. Just have to take a little break, and I'll be right back like in 5 minutes. Whoops, and you guys were blocked there. How about I say yes? Bam, bam, bam. Just so we can show the ads. You get an ad blocker? No, I don't think I have an ad blocker. Thank you. Alright, 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 alright. There's a challenge here. This is the challenge. Meh, anyway. Yay! So it should be saved now. Boot. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to Reddit. Again, I don't know how to handle this, I actually don't know at all. But I'll check it out. We'll do a bunch of, I think I'm gonna do it like, top to bottom. There's one thing first I'd like to see. Okay, so I am connected to Latch, my account, Latch, okay? Now, I want to see, like, for example, the last patch note. Everyone, yeah, okay, good. So, how about I do a comment? Test a comment. Test a comment. Am I banned? Is this account still banned? So for those who know, I got banned from Reddit for some reason. I was working, I was like back in the days, like 3 years ago, on every time I finished a Indie Your Face video, I posted up on Reddit, and it was fine. And then sometimes along sometime Ever Dapper, follow the channel, welcome aboard, thanks for following. And then something happened, they changed their condition or something, they changed their rules. And then you could not post about yourself, or you could not post about stuff. Even though it was in your face, it wasn't something I was trying to make money out of, it was just like advices and stuff. I still got banned. Somebody said like, it's only post about yourself. Like, well, it was fine before. And then they said just like, well, it's not anymore. Fuck off. So I got banned. And now I think I'm still shadow banned, but I'm actually a moderator on this channel, and I don't know if I can speak. So, great stream, ladies and gentlemen. Broke my chair, gotta buy a new one. Gonzo, thank you very much for passing by, man, and definitely send me a PM on Discord. We're gonna talk about that, and I have Skype as well. I'll send you my Skype so we can chat. But man. Well, it's great to see you here. But everybody here around, guys, everybody watching, go download Super Toss the Turtle. Whoops, not this one. Super Toss the Turtle by Gonzo. This game over here. Go get it now. It's free, guys. It's free. He made some free stuff just for you. Take it up. I will approve your comments. Don't worry. Okay, so we will have to individually approve all comments. Lachlan, is that it? Is that it? Like, how can I unshadow ban? It is stupid. It is stupid. I'm still banned. Like, how can I... Can I create another account or something? No, I don't want to go there and stream it. I want to evoke your comment, Latch. Where it is. There you go. I keep an eye on the subreddit so I can see your comment quickly. Okay. Okay then. Okay, so there's the patch note. Let's check it out. Any new combination or item in the arcade? Good question. Any new combination? Good question. I'm gonna say nope. There is none. I don't think so. Not gonna answer that because Kojak could be there, but I don't think so. I'm unable to scroll right when trying to forge item. This has been fixed. I want to say fixed. Should be fixed. Now, save. Alright, I cannot swipe right. This should be fixed again. That was the right thing to do. Hang on. I bought it first. I bought all 5 level of crafting as well. Okay, so you spend it to notice. We have no multi-crafting as soon commander and yeah, well, all that's fine eventually. Okay, all of my other building over he saved around 7,000 diamond. I'm very he legit saved 7,000 diamond. He knew since November, like since November he saved. He either bought or cheated. You cannot save 7,000 diamond by November, but maybe it's legit, but that phase. Okay, I can access any, yeah, it's not a huge deal now, blah blah blah, okay. That was the right thing to do, but no one really ever guessed that it will miss this move. That they will do this move, trying to keep people active so you watch at what? No. We actually, guys, let me know. Like, it was the right thing to do, but no one ever guessed they will do this move, trying to keep people actively slowly to watch ads. Why? Why do we do that? Like, what implies, what makes you think about that? Because actually, right now, the problem, there's one thing. I want to give you 1 point. There's one thing. There's one button saying, like, watch ad, watch ad, watch ad per slot. So it implies per slot. Yeah, per craft. There's one button per crafting. Which implies that you can watch an ad to boost every craft, but that's not what we did. What we did is you boost once, and it's gonna boost. You watch one ad, and it's gonna boost every craft of your arcane lab. So everything that you're crafting, if you have 5, if you have 3, it's gonna boost everything you got. You know, and the same thing with the devil deal. So we're basically giving you more for the same amount of ads. So. Dropping diamonds was the main reason to stay active as in Click Villager because it helped progress much more than ads, okay, and it's still there. Still wasn't a really strong reason. Like dropping diamonds, we dropped the diamonds. We haven't dropped the rate. Like before, it was like refresh, drop. You had to it was a bug at first. We talked about that. But it was a bug that that people exploited. But now you can get 60 diamonds per day. I think it's 60. 60 diamonds per day, which originally we were supposed to do 10 diamonds per day. So we decided to put it up at 60 just to be sure that everything was fine. Because when I was playing and I poke around myself, I poke around my friends and ask them like how much diamond did you get per day, and the answer was between 25 and 35, 40 when you were super active, you know. So we decided, okay, we're gonna put 60 instead, and still people are saying that with the drop rate went down as hell. So not sure about that, but yeah, like if it's a majority thing, we're gonna fix it. But the main thing we did was to fix the people, was to avoid people exploiting the game and just have a script refreshing every 5 minutes to get like 5,000 diamond in a single day. Probably legit. I have about 5,000 diamond right now. I don't spend them very often. Oh, okay, it's legit then. Okay, I was very yeah, seem legit. Okay. Because I never got more than... Oh, yeah, like, there's one that's 700. Seem legit wasn't playing really actively and got 1,000 during the Christmas event. Okay. My bad. Very sorry for that. I was like, whoa, 7,000 in a diamond? I never saw that. But yeah. Still wasn't a really strong reason since no one will earn more than 200 diamond if they played almost the entire day. No one will earn more than 200 diamonds if but it was still worth it nonetheless. Now it's gone. Okay. Hey. So we originally plan to make diamond drop around 10 per day. Turned out that people there was a bug making resetting the drop rate, resetting the counter, resetting the counter back to 10. Well, yeah, every time you reboot the game. We didn't mind much at the beginning. We didn't mind much because people were still using it fairly. We've poked around to ask how many diamond per day was collected in average, and the answer was around 25 to 45. I myself got around 20 diamonds per day when I was playing. So when we fixed the bug, we decided to put it up even higher than average. Per day. The main reason we did all this was because people or some player started to create a script to exploit that bug. Very hard. Exploit that bug, making them collect ridiculous amount of diamonds, like 5,000 a day or something. Okay. The game is fair for everyone. Don't encourage cheating. Senor Romero. Is that it? Senor Romero? Probably that. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for running. That said, never forget that the game is alive. We are actively working on it every day. We can come up with boost or item or feature or anything to help the diamond drop. If the majority of player feels they are not having enough diamond. Feels the drop is unfair. Okay, so hey, we're really planning to make diamonds drop about 10 per day. Yeah, it turned out that there was a bug resetting encounter every time you reboot the game. We didn't mind much because people were still using it fairly. We poked around to ask how many diamonds per day was collecting the average, and the answer was around 20. Yeah, I myself got 20 diamonds per day when I was playing. So when we fixed the bug, we decided to put it up even higher than average. We settled it on 60 diamonds per day. The main reason we did this is we fixed the bug to be sure the game is fair for everyone. We don't encourage cheating. That said, never forget the game is alive. Feels the drop is unfair. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. One last thing. Also, the craft. When you watch an ad, to boost the crafting time, it affects all crafts. All currently how can I say that? All active crafts, not only one. So, whoa, you. Why for you laugh at Hulk, yo? Why for you laugh at Hulk? Follow your channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. I think also not only one. So you cannot. You don't have to watch 5 ads to boost all craft. Only one. Dick move. No, so you don't have to watch what only one. It's not clear right now the way it's the interface right now suggests otherwise, and it's gonna be fixed. Granted, it's gonna be fixed in another update. Thanks for playing. Thanks for the feedback and for playing some Vital. Alright, so we're just only letting out that shit, blah, blah, blah. Is there, what do you think, guys? Dick move, hashtag dick move, right? Yeah, I wasn't sure, like, saying about, that would have been a dick move. It would have been a dick move for real, though. Like, okay, now we have to do, like, 5 ads at the same time, and we were just, like, against that. Does Lash always type these long answer? I don't know. Again, it's my very first time I'm gonna try to, it's not my very first time I type answer. I answer in comments, but I wanted to be it. I wanted to do it on the show. What do you think, guys? Is that correct? Is that fair? Commenting Latch should finish with that. Yeah, I think I'll always edit it. Wouldn't mind much because people always think, all craft bonus. Also, all craft, the craft bonus when you watch an ad to boost the craft. Whoa, that's weird. When you watch an ad to boost the crafting, yeah, there you go. It affects all active craft, not only one. We'll see what his response is. Yeah, you're right. So you don't have to watch 5 ads to boost all craft, only one. Fuck it. That would have been a dick move. I personally play the game. Simply the game and would not add fuck it. Alright, fuck it, save. Not capitalizing every word. Let's play some Vital. Yeah, I do play some Vital every day. Every single day. I'd remove the if the majority of the drop rate is unfair. Are they gonna pile up and try to get you to change the drop rate? Yeah, you're right. You're right though. But too late. I saved it. I saved it. And anyway, again, right now there's like, okay, if let's say, I still think that the 60 per day is way more fair than before. Like, if you compare to other games out there on how they drop diamonds, I feel that we're pretty generous. But prove me otherwise. I'd like to hear. I'd like to see a game or see other games, or I'd like to compare it to other games out there. That'll be nice, like to see like a scientific evidence that we are not. But I'm very confident that we are being generous. But let's say, for the sake of the argument, that we are not. Let's say that the diamonds rate is lower. Right now, the diamonds are being given to active player only. Because you have to click on the villagers every 4 hours to get some diamonds. So again, let's say for the sake of the argument that the drop rate is not good enough, we can always add a mechanic, add something that will also give diamonds for offline players, you know, for idle players. People just come every day and have like 5 diamonds, like another extra over there. So if you pile that up like one with the other one, we go back to the original diamond drop rate. But yeah, prove him otherwise. Too late, coming to prove. There you go. So yeah, again, I said it. Yeah, we're gonna come up with boost item and feature. There you go. Alright, so W1. It took me like a half an hour just to do one, but I feel like I'm gonna do that every 2 days or so. Kojak's gonna start to do it as well on this side. And yeah, I'm gonna try this out. Alright, so that will conclude today's, guys. Yeah, I actually busted my time, so it's already 20 minutes later. So I'm just gonna drop the outro, guys, and we're gonna punch somebody in the face. I'm gonna check it out in an instant. But let's play the outro. Yeah! Thank you very much for watching this episode of Watching Friends, guys. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Sweet. So who we gonna punch in the face, guys? Who we gonna punch in the face? We got Wow, we got Quasi, we got Smokealoke. Maybe Smokealoke. It's been a while we haven't punched Smokealoke in the face. I think we're gonna do Smokealoke. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do Smokealoke. So thank you very much, guys. As usual, here's the schedule and everything. Please don't forget to follow the channel.
Do it!
Follow the channel.
Just
No
do
more
it!
Super Easy Gun. Yeah, I'd like to do it, but I've busted my time for 20 minutes. Usually I want to stop by 4 p.m. Now it's now 4:20 p.m. So I'm just gonna close very fast because I did the comment thing. But yeah, we're gonna adjust ourselves later on. So stick around if you want to punch Smokealoke in the face, guys. We're gonna do that. And yeah, I love you all. You guys are the best. Especially you. Bye.